Today on PowerNation Daily, a highway patrol officer races down a Lamborghini in his cop car and gets caught. The luckiest rider alive survives flying underneath a semi on his motorcycle. A naked guy on an ATV takes the cops on a chase. Ferrari knew all about the odometers being rolled back. That's a big no-no. Ford says driving hungover is just as bad as driving drunk, and all happens right here, so buckle up. This is PowerNation Daily. What's up, guys? I'm Gannon Pritchard. Welcome to PowerNation Daily. We got a great lineup today, a lot of good stuff, so don't go anywhere. Be sure to stop by our website as well on PowerNationTV.com. Get connected. Let us know what you want to see. So let's get to it because this is good stuff. Usually instigating a street race will get you a ticket, but this Lamborghini driver happened to challenge the right driver in this situation, who happened to be a Florida Highway Patrol officer. Yeah, a real cop. Got challenged and he took the challenge. I like this. News station NBC2 received dash cam footage of a Highway Patrol Dodge Charger taking on a Lamborghini Aventador on a public roadway. Nice. Obviously the Lamborghini won, dusted the Charger, but it's not often that you get away with racing somebody on the freeway, especially when it's a cop. FHP launched an investigation to find the officer involved, but I don't know, I think it's kind of funny. What do you think about it? Cops, weigh in. Have you ever done this before? Actually, don't tell us. This dude might be the luckiest rider of all time. YouTube channel Hammy Moto, oh, Mr. Hammy Moto, posted a video of himself flying off his motorcycle and going underneath a semi, and he survived. The dude literally is lucky to be alive. Check that out. That's crazy. After his bike starts getting the speed wobbles, he loses control. He flew under the semi and came to a stop. The cars all stopped to make sure he was okay, and you can hear him. He said, "I'm alive, I'm alive." I'm sure he was pretty excited about that footage. There's a lot of crazy stuff out there, but this has got to be one of the top crazies I've seen this week. Jess Fishel was on his way home on I-435 when he saw this guy driving down the interstate against traffic, butt naked on his ATV. And to top it off, he was leading police on a chase that lasted quite a while. Local news channel 8 says the man evaded officers from 4 different law enforcement agencies before he was finally caught and arrested. The truth is, they just didn't want to catch him because he was naked on an ATV. I don't blame him. I would just sat back and drank my coffee. But it's pretty good stuff. What do you guys think about it? Last year, a Ferrari dealership was accused of rolling back odometers to drive a car's value up over $1 million. That's a lot of money. And it turns out Ferrari knew about it the whole time. That's not good. Jalopnik published a memo from Ferrari that was recently filed in court, and it stated that in order to use the DEIS tool that was used to roll back the odometer, the dealership would have had to have authorization from Ferrari themselves. That's a big no-no. The memo also states that as a result of the situation, the reset to zero function is being removed completely. Probably a good idea. Not only is this illegal, but what kind of effect will this have on the brand of Ferrari? So we all know that driving drunk is bad, it's dangerous, not to mention illegal, but Ford Europe says driving hungover might be just as bad, and they created a suit to simulate being hungover, so you can be hungover without the booze. Not sure why they would do that, but I guess they had some time on their hands and this is what they came up with. The suit creates symptoms like dizziness, tiredness, and headaches. Goggles block warm light while a lamp blasts you with cool light to create hypersensitivity and dizziness. Migraines are simulated with headphones that increase sounds, and weight is also added to your head, wrists, and ankles, totaling 37 pounds. It sounds like they spent a lot of money and time on this suit when they could have just followed a college kid after Saturday night. Sounds like it would have been a lot easier. Thanks for watching PowerNation Daily, everybody. I'm Gannon Pritchard. Be sure to move on over to our website at PowerNationTV.com and check out all the how-to that you can handle. And also, let us know what you want to see on Facebook. Have a good rest of your day.